See here, x is equal to sin y. Correct. We know that, see, if y is a sin x, y is a function of x, then differentiation. How we can write this? X is independent, y depends upon x. Then we can write this differentiating y with respect to x. Then we can write dy by dx is cos x. We know that. The same concept we are using, but here x is a function of y. Therefore, we can write this one as differentiating x with respect to y. Differentiating x with respect to y. Instead of dy by dx, we can write what it is? Dx by dy. Correct. And differentiation of d by dy of sin y. Correct. Did you understand? And dx by dy, differentiation of sin y is what? Cos y. Differentiation of sin y is cos y. Sin x is what? Cos x. Similarly, sin y is what? Cos y. But we need here not dx by dy, we need dy by dx. Therefore, interchange or reciprocal dy by dx. Reciprocal. And we can write this one as 1 by cos. Differentiation of sin y is cos y. Correct. And next, see, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Already we know in trigonometry function, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Then naturally we can write sin square y plus sin square y plus cos square y is 1. See, cos square y. See, cos square y can be written as 1 minus sin square y. Then cos y can be written as root of 1 minus sin square y, or root of 1 minus. What sin y represents? Sin y represents x. Therefore, this can be written as 1 minus x square sin square. Correct. Next, see, dy by dx can be written as 1 divided by, okay, cos y. Cos y represent what it is? Root of 1 minus sin square y. Correct. And next, d by dx of what y represent? Y. See, y represent what it is? Sin inverse x. Differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. d by dx of sin inverse x is 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. In this way, we can do the differentiation of sin inverse x. You do understand? Okay. How we can write? We consider y equal to sin inverse x. By definition of inverse sine function, we can write sin y is x, or rewrite x is sin 1. Then differentiate x with respect to 1. We'll get dx by dy is d by dy of sin 1. Next, dx by dy. Differentiation of sin y is cos 1. Okay. Next, interchange dy by dx. Cos y can be written as 1 by cos y. dy by dx. dy by dx is 1 divided by root of 1 minus sin square y. Correct. d by dx of c. y. What y represent? Sin inverse x. And this can be written as root of 1 minus x square. Means we converted it is in terms of y, but we replaced that one is in terms of x. See, means we proved differentiation of sin inverse x. We proved differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. In this way, we can do the what? Derivatives. Or we are applying the derivatives. Okay. Just write down. Okay, we'll take next. Okay, we'll take next. Next one is differentiation of y equal to cos inverse x. Y equal to cos inverse of x. Okay. Next, by definition of inverse function, we can write cos y is x, or we can write x is cos y. Then differentiate x with respect to y, and we get this dx by dy. Differentiation of cos y is minus sin y, or rearrange this one, dy by dx is minus 1 by sin y. Okay, and next we know that sin square y plus cos square y is 1. Everything we have to convert in terms of x form. That's why sin y we can write sin square y, we can write 1 minus cos square y. Then sin y is root of 1 minus cos square y. Then this can be written as 1 minus cos y. Cos y is x. 1 minus x square. Correct. Therefore, you can write dy by dx. dy by dx is minus 1 by root of 1 minus square. Sin y. See, sin y can be written as 1 by root of 1 minus x square. How? Means differentiation of d by dx of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x. Okay. Okay, finished. We'll take next. Next is we'll take y equal to tan inverse x. Okay, y equal to tan inverse x. Okay, we can rewrite this one as by definition of inverse function, x is equal to tan y, or tan y equal to x. Right? Tan y equal to x means x is tan y. Then differentiate x with respect to y, we get dx by dy. And we know the differentiation of tan is secant square y. Correct? Or dy by dx is 1 divided by secant square y. But we need it is in terms of x, not in terms of y. Therefore, we have the formula 1 plus tan square y is secant square y. Correct? Or tan square y, or tan y. What tan y represents x. Therefore, it is 1 plus x square is secant square y. Therefore, we can write dy by dx is 1 divided by 1 plus tan square y. Or we can write d by dx of what y represents. Y is tan inverse x. Tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus tan y. See, tan y represents what it is, x. Therefore, it can be 1 plus. This way, we can do the example. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x squared. Just write down the answer. Okay, we'll take next one. Next one, y equal to cot inverse. Okay, cot inverse 6 means we can write this one cot y equal to x or x equal to cot y. Then do the differentiation, differentiating x with respect to y. We get dx by dy. Cot differentiation is minus cosec square 1 minus cosec square 1. Correct? Means dy by dx reverse form minus 1 divided by cosec square 1. And we know that in trigonometry 1 plus cot square y is cosec square 1. Therefore we have to apply minus 1 divided by 1 plus cot square 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus what cot y represents. Cot y is x, therefore we can write this 1 plus square. And this is d by dx of cot inverse x. d by dx of cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, just write down the answer. We'll take next. Next one is y is cosec inverse x. Y is cosec inverse x. Means we can write this by definition of inverse function cosec y is x. Or rewrite x is cosec y. Correct. Next here x is a function of y. Apply. Differentiate x with respect to y. Then we get dx by dy. And we know the differentiation of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. Therefore we have to apply here minus cosec y into cot y. Correct. Next dy by dx. dy by dx is minus 1 by cosec y into cot y. Correct. But we need this in terms of everything in terms of cosec, because cosec is in terms of x. Next, we know that 1 plus cot square y. 1 plus cot square y is cosec square y. Means cot square y is what? Cosec square y minus 1. Correct. Cot square y is equal to cosec square y minus 1. Then cot y can be written as root of cosec square y minus 1. Then root of cosec y. See, cosec y represents what? It is x. Therefore we can write this x square minus 1. Therefore we can write dy by dx. dy by dx is minus 1 by cosec y. Cosec y is x. Cot y is root of cosec square y minus 1. The root of cosec square minus 1 is what? X square minus 1. Therefore it is x square minus 1. Or we can write d by dx of what? Y. Y means cosec inverse x is minus 1 divided by x root of x square minus 1. Okay, just write down the answer. Okay, we'll take last one. That is y is equal to sec inverse x. Okay, y is equal to sec inverse x. By definition of inverse function, we can write this sec y equal to x, or rewrite x is sec y. And do the differentiation. Differentiating x with respect to y, we get dx by dy. Okay, sec x differentiation is what? Sec x tan x. Therefore, instead of x, how we can write sec y tan y. Next, dy by dx. dy by dx is 1 by sec y into tan y. Okay, next. We know that 1 plus tan square y. Already we know 1 plus tan square y is secant square y. Correct? Means tan square y. We can write it is secant square y minus 1. Or we can write tan y. Tan y is root of secant square y minus 1. Sec y. Just concentrate. What sec y represents x. Therefore, tan of y. Tan of y is root of x square minus 1. dy by dx is 1 by sec y. Correct? Sec y into tan y, secant square y minus 1. Therefore, we can write this one as 1 divided by sec y is x, and this is x square minus 1. Therefore, differentiation of sec inverse x is 1 divided by x root of x square minus 1. This way we can do the differentiation of sec inverse x. Okay. Okay, after knowing all these derivatives of sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, let me recall one by one. And please take all these formulas in separate chart. Every day you have to practice it. First one, differentiation of sin inverse x. Okay, differentiation of sin inverse x. 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Next, differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Next, differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Next, differentiation of cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x. Next, differentiation of sec inverse x is 1 divided by x root of x square minus 1. Okay. Next, differentiation of cosec inverse x is minus 1 divided by x root of x square minus 1. Okay, these are the 6 formulas. Better you take it in separate chart and daily practice it, because these 6 formulas are very, very important formula. For solving we are using these formulas. Okay, please remember all these 6 formulas. And simple, you can easily remember. See, differentiation of sin inverse x is what? 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Next, cos inverse x we need to see. Cos inverse x is what? Again it is also same. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. But this is minus sign. This is how you can easily remember. Next, differentiation of tan inverse x. See, the differentiation of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of cot inverse x. Again it is also similar. 1 by 1 plus x square. But it is with sign? Minus sign. This is how you can easily remember. Next, differentiation of sec inverse x. What it is? 1 by x root of x square minus 1. Differential of cosec inverse x is of minus 1 divided by x root of x square minus 1. I hope understood everyone. Okay, next class I will take the example. Thank you.